Choo-choo, here comes the alphabet train. Let's pull the train and learn our ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's go.
Look, the first train cards have the letters A, B, and C. What does the stand for? That's right, apple. And B is for ball. Can you say ball? Great. And C is for cat. Meow. Let's keep going.
Here come letters D, E, and F. D is for dog. Woof woof. E is for elephant. Can you make a trumpet sound like an elephant? And F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Fantastic.
The train is rolling to letters G, H, and I. G is for goat ball. H is for hat. Do you have a hat? And I is for ice cream. Yum! What's your favorite flavor?
Next, we see letters J, K, and L. J is for jelly, wiggle it around. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. And L is for lion, roar. Can you roar like a lion?
Here come N, and O. M is for monkey. Ooh-ah-ah. N is for nest, where baby birds rest. And O is for orange, so round and yummy.
The train stops for letters P, Q, and R. P is for penguin, waddling around. Q is for queen, with her shiny crown. And R is for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Can you hop like a rabbit? Rolling along, we see S, T, and U. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for turtle, moving nice and slow. And U is for umbrella. Open it up for the rain.
Here come letters V, W, and X. V is for violin. Can you play an imaginary violin? W is for whale, swimming in the ocean. And X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. The final train cards have Y and Z. Y is for yo-yo, wee, and Z is for zebra. Look at those stripes. Hooray! We made it to the end of the alphabet.
Great job, everyone. You learned all the letters from A to Z. Give yourself a big clap. The alphabet train will be back soon. Until next time, keep learning and having fun. Choo-choo.